I basically am here to introduce you about the facts of PTC sites. Basically, the PTC sites nowadays having a lot of scams and laggards. They are just giving you the information which is not proper and showing the proofs of PayPal and Pizza and many other options. So, as per the competition and as far as the people are concerned with the PTC site, basically they take a lot of money from the parties and they are just giving the visits to them in an organic way, where the people are just clicking on the website and just going to check the website content and matter by taking 0.0005 cents, which is equivalent to 1 or 2 rupees in a day. So people is just giving a look on those websites where the people are just involving in giving the inauspicious matters regarding that any person can earn $1 lakh and $200 and $2,000 in a month. So it is all a legit and scam according to me. What I am just giving you the information about that. As per my information is concentrated, I just want to say you about the search engine optimization methods. Basically, if you have a little bit knowledge of blogging or website designing, you can just try this industry where people just have to join some forum sites and some blogging sites where they can go just and the publishing options where they can publish their own content in a unique way, where the persons are just wandering here and there on the internet and surfing the net and they are not getting the proper information about that. Somewhere if you are just putting the best information on your blog or website, the people will come and definitely recommend to those people who are just involving on the internet. Nowadays, as per the knowledge of search engine optimization industry, a lot of people are involved to getting visits as well as their growth towards the company. So as per my knowledge is concerned, I would recommend you the SEO industry. There are two branches or the two parts related to the search engine optimization, that is on-page optimization and off-page optimization. Basically, when you deal with off-page optimization, you just have to improve the ranking and SERPs. SERP stands for the search engine results pages, where you are just finding your website's keyword or niches. A lot of people in this industry are getting a good income from Google AdSense, Shitika and some other PPC and CPC or CPA sites. Recommendation is SEO due to the visibility of the website on the top, of where we are just satisfying the customer's need and the visitors are getting a good information from us. So I would recommend the SEO industry. As per the survey in 2010 that many people were involved in the SEO industry and they are getting good results in 1 to 2 years, where the domains are being in an old way. So rest is on the next part of the video, where you can find what is SEO, what is off-page optimization, what is on-page optimization, how you can get rank in top 5 of the Google and other search engines. Thanks.